a quiet transformation is taking shape above our heads, not in massive solar farms or distant landscapes, but in something as familiar as the rooftops of our homes. Scientists have developed the world's first Perovskite solar roof tile, a technology that embeds energy generation directly into the structure of a building, turning passive surfaces into active power systems. This is not just an upgrade to solar panels, it is a fundamental redefinition of how energy is produced, distributed, and experienced in everyday life. At the heart of this breakthrough is perovskite, a material that has rapidly moved from experimental research to one of the most promising technologies in modern energy science. Unlike traditional silicon, it is lightweight, flexible, and capable of being applied in ultra-thin layers. This flexibility allows it to conform to curved surfaces like roof tiles, enabling designs that were previously impossible. The result is a seamless integration where architecture and energy technology become indistinguishable, where power generation is no longer an external addition but an inherent feature of the structure itself. The reported efficiency of 12.4% may seem lower than conventional silicon panels, but the significance of this innovation lies beyond raw numbers. It lies in how energy is captured across an entire surface, without requiring additional installation space, without altering aesthetics, and without introducing bulky hardware. Every tile contributes to generation, every segment of the roof becomes productive, and every building transforms into a decentralized energy source within a broader connected system. This approach shifts the focus from maximizing single panel output to maximizing total surface utilization. This evolution signals a major shift in how cities will function in the coming decades. Urban environments where buildings generate their own electricity, reducing reliance on centralized grids, minimizing transmission losses, and enabling a more resilient and sustainable energy infrastructure. Construction materials themselves are being reimagined, no longer passive components, but intelligent elements that actively participate in energy production, redefining the very concept of what a building is capable of, while also opening new possibilities for design and scalability. The path forward is not without challenges. Long-term stability, environmental durability, and large-scale manufacturing remain key areas of development. Yet progress in these areas continues at an accelerating pace, pushing perovskite technology closer to real-world adoption. As these barriers are overcome, the potential for widespread transformation becomes increasingly realistic, shaping a future where energy generation is seamlessly embedded into the world around us and where sustainability becomes an automatic outcome of design. This is how technological revolutions truly unfold, not always through visible disruption, but through silent integration into the systems we rely on every day. Rooftops becoming power sources, materials becoming intelligent, and infrastructure becoming self-sustaining. This is not a distant vision, it is an emerging reality already beginning to take form. Subscribe to Dezhn and step into a future where technology is not just advancing, but becoming a part of everything we build, every surface, every structure, every moment. Like, subscribe, and be part of the evolution.